Welcome to Behind the Tools, where we explore our manufacturing of custom handmade clip-ons this week. So the first thing that we're doing here is actually just feathering and doing a slight adjustment to the sizing of the lens. As all of the clip-ons are actually manufactured by hand, there's always going to be a little bit of a variance in the sizing from the eyewear to the lens itself. So right here, we're just doing some small adjustments to ensure that the lens fits perfectly within the eye wire. And as a second trial, we can see that the eye wire fits perfectly around the lens itself. Whereas before, it was just a little bit big, probably by maybe about 0.5 millimeters. Now we go into final fitting, and we look in from the top and we see that there's a little bit of a gap there. And so we just make a minor bend just to make sure that it fits perfectly. All of the material for the Eyewear is made in Japan, and the manufacturing process happens here. Like and follow for more.